live from the arena right here in San Juan City. Ito po si Noel Zarate kasama si Mosey Ravena at kasama rin namin ang allegedly sexiest woman.
Allegedly. How about
There you go, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Noel. That's my pride right there. Now, over to the side of the Lady Altas. Nakausap ko si Coach Mike. He seems very confident too. At iniisip niya, kaya talaga ng team nila manalo today. He said more than anything else, he wants to show the team that he trusts them so much. And like what you guys saw over the first set, isa lang ang paulit-ulit na ina-emphasize ni Coach. And that is hindi lang talakasan ng palo ang nagpapanalo sa atin. Reception and score defense are the keys. Yes, the keys to winning this game.
Okay, kalaban.
At walang gagawin kundi sa kailang pagkuha ng bola. Hayaan natin mag-commit ng errors ng Air Force at hayaan natin silang mapagod. And it looks like that plan has been very effective. All they need to do is to sustain this, guys.
Well, of course, the youth factor belongs to Perpetual.
Well, I say effective. Why? Again, just in this set, type it does not Air Force. So, Coach Mike is getting what he wants.
Alam mo, para naman dito kay Coach Ariel de la Cruz, Jane Manzano could be a factor para sa kanya rito. Manzano has got lots of power, got great jumping ability, and she has great leadership skills as well. So if she can string those together alongside a very Aiza Maizo, and si Manzano is not able to stop that, maybe Maizo and Manzano can actually be a factor dito para manalo Air Force. I mean, I didn't get to catch that Ateneo game, but I'm sure Manzano and Maizo were able to string together a lot of points in that game.
Well, it's on paper, it's a strong tandem.
Right.
Manzano and Maizo.
And they're both in front right now. Off the block, here's Pakatangay. Semana goes to Maizo. Maizo denied that time by Ingrid. Ingrid has been blocking Maizo, huh?
Maizo also saving that ball. Sinasabi natin, bago nagka-gem Ferrer. Semana.
Serafika, Semana. I mean, you can see right there, totally split the entire defense. Saka make no mistake about it, ito si Semana, when they were actually trying out April Jose as their starters FU, Semana turned into a spiker, and she scored a lot of points, huh? Nice block here by Sandra de los Santos. Going back to Wendy and Semana. Maganda yung combination na nun ni Ana Abanto because dalawang maliit, tapos may papasok pang Irish Morada para sa so tatlong maliit na spiker who got a lot of points.
Nevi is known to develop really high leaders, diba? Right. Small players, pero pag tumalon, kala mo mga 5'10", 6'footer.
And that was one of the factors that won them that 2007 championship of the UAP. Isip mo, pinakamalaking player na nila nun si Rachel Andakis, who's about, what, 5'8".
And siya, a bit raw at that time.
Here's Blanco. Saltin will have to set up. Coming out of nowhere is Piatida. Blanco over De Los Santos. And Hingpit gives up a very short angle free ball. Oh, and that was this.
That's right. Turning that slow-mo return to a fast ball. Maganda. Yung drop ball ni Hingpit. But Aiza just went impatient on the pass play.
And now Jane Manzano to serve. Here's Love going cross. Nice block by Aiza Maizo.
Aiza Maizo just too much. Sardine on that last fight.
Talagang Air Force just has to realize that Maizo and Manzano can put together so much points. They can work together. They can actually take this match. Daanin sa sinta. Goes loud, and look at this, we are tied at 11. And the lead is actually 4 points in this set. The Mikasa NBA 300 is game ball of the Shakey's B-League Season 8. More intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa NBA 300. And Jane Manzano cannot start a rally. You cannot get it across the net.
And point goes to Perpetual on the dare on the serve.
Once again, Sandra de los Santos.
Nice floater.
Here's the back set now for Aiza Maizo.
Started with that reception and that back set by Wendy and Semana. At tinapos dun sa just a push na mga usually kasi people set, the opponent will think it's going to be a powerful hit kasi gandang bagal ng set eh.
the lady, or the Air Force trying to change it right now. That serve by Michael. And now, adjustment na lang yan para dito sa Perpetual Action. Playing a pretty good game, but now their errors are starting to creep up.
Baliktad na eh, di ba? Sila na yung nagkaka-error.
Huwag sila magpagulang dito, mga veterano itong mga to. Ito kaya si Pit. Sartin. Sartin will score the hard way. He has to go through the Ramos and the Guapo that time. Lesson learned. Anyway, para matitisig siya pag serve siya eh. The Ramos. That will be a point here. There's a net violation against Perpetual. A point for the Air Force.
Another error on the side of Perpetual.
Our first referee, whose name is Casey right now, ng kanyang...
Reversado.
Oo. Pagtingin sa net violation, ang bilis. Hindi naman gumagalaw yung net, pero nakikita niya pa rin eh. Great attack there by Santin.
Reversado is the husband of Lisa Paglinawan, who is one of the...
Mabawin agad!
Other call center. Bago pa man si Tina Sala. Lisa Paglinawan.
Oh, Manggaan, Simana, at Diresio attacking his mga tangay. King Pit trying to get it across. The Ramos on the pitch. Play for the Air Force. It is now 16-14. Air Force all of a sudden turning on the Jets. They're up by 2.